In today's video, we have an exciting project for you, creating an automatic light using a light-dependent resistor, LDR. Before we begin assembling the circuit, let's take a moment to understand the components we'll be using. First, we have the light-dependent resistor, or LDR. It is a light-sensitive device that changes its resistance based on the intensity of light falling on it. We'll utilize this property to control our automatic light. Next, we have the BC547 transistor. This versatile NPN transistor will act as a switch to control the flow of current to the bulb. We also have the bulb, which represents our light source, and the resistor, which will limit the current flowing through the circuit. Finally, the 3.7V battery will power our entire setup. Now that we're familiar with the components, let's dive into the circuit diagram and its working principle. Here's the circuit diagram. We have the LDR connected to a potential divider circuit. The BU547 transistor acts as a switch. Now, let's understand how it works. When light falls on the LDR, its resistance decreases. The decreased resistance allows more current to flow through the potential divider circuit. The increased current causes a larger voltage drop across the resistor. This decrease in voltage at the base decrease in voltage at the base terminal of the transistor turns it off. The transistor turns off. It interrupts the flow of current to the bulb. As a result, the bulb turns off. The high resistance of the LDR restricts the flow of current through the potential divider circuit. The limited current flow results in a smaller voltage drop across the resistor. The higher voltage at the base terminal of the transistor keeps it in an on state. With the transistor turned on, current is allowed to flow through the transistor to the bulb. Consequently, the bulb remains illuminated even in the absence of light. Now that we understand the theory, let's assemble the circuit. We start by placing the components on the breadboard. The LDR, resistor, and transistor go into their respective positions. One terminal of the bulb is connected to the emitter terminal, and the other terminal is connected to the negative of the battery. Next, we connect the potential divider circuit. One leg of the LDR is connected to the base terminal, while the other leg is connected to emitter terminal. The resistor is connected across the collector and the base. The positive terminal of the battery is connected to the collector of the transistor. Let's dim the light to simulate darkness. Now, shine a flashlight on the LDR to simulate light. Observe how the bulb turns on and off accordingly. With the circuit assembled, it's time to see our automatic light in action. Congratulations! You've successfully built your own automatic light using an LDR, BC547, transistor bulb, resistor, and a 3.7V battery. This project can be incredibly useful for various applications, such as energy-efficient lighting or security systems. Remember, the possibilities are endless.